Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install MySQL client on your machine. As you can see, I have created a virtual environment demo and I am showing you that I have not MySQL client in my machine. You can see I don't have MySQL client in my machine. So for install MySQL client, you can simply use pip install MySQL client. But as you can see, I am having some problem in this way. So here is the another way to install MySQL client. Open your browser and search IFT Python. Go to the first page and in this page search for MySQL client. You can see here is MySQL client. Now check which version of Python you have on your machine. So for that, open CMD and type Python. As you can see, I have Python 3.8.2 and for Windows 32 version. So you can check where 3.8 and 32 version, that is the will. So you have to download it and it's done. So I'm here in my downloaded page, downloaded folder. So open CMD here, work on demo is my virtual environment, and you have to install MySQL client here. So just type pip install and copy the name of the file and paste it here. Hit enter and you are done. Now you can check you have MySQL client on your machine. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.